Hello, remember the last voting election, and let me show you how to create that same voting application. So you need to have XAMPP installed in your computer to be able to do this. When you get XAMPP in your computer, then this file, this voting system application, we'll get to this. But before that, if you have XAMPP in your computer, just download XAMPP and start Apache and MySQL. After starting Apache and MySQL, you just close this one. We'll open our VS Code editor, then come to file. In this file, we are going to open folder. So in this open folder, we'll access the localhost, XAMPP, htdocs, and here we'll see our voting system. This voting system is the same system in this place. So I copied it from here to the localhost and the XAMPP and the htdocs. So you do that, but I've done it already to save us time. And when I opened it, I got this. So this is all the code of the application. So I'll enter this connect. This is short for connect. You know that everything in this include is the PHP for the script. So this is the connect folder. So this is where I'm going to connect to the database. So first of all, I'll connect right here. But for us to have the details in this place to connect, we need to create a server. So for us to create a server, just go to your browser, search for localhost. No need to write www.localhost.com. No, since we already have XAMPP running on our system, we'll just search for localhost/phpMyAdmin. When you get to phpMyAdmin, then you click on this new. After clicking on the new, you create a voting system. So I created it and I got this. So currently my voting system is empty. There are no tables, but I'm going to upload table right now. So when I enter my voting system, you see there are no tables right here. So I'll click on this and click on import. So in import, I'm going to select the file that I want to use as the database. So right here it shows choose file. So after choosing, you open the folder. So when I open the folder, I will locate that same folder that I uploaded to the XAMPP. So I'll enter inside my local disk. Let me go directly to so inside here, I'll enter here. I'm going to look for that same folder that we are currently running. So I'll look for the htdocs, then I'll enter the voting system. So this is it. So in the voting system, I'll look for this DB for data, short for database. So here I'm going to collect this because this is an SQL file. If you can see, this is an SQL file, SQL source file. So this is what we're going to be working with. So I'll click on open. So the file is currently selected right here, and I'll click on import. So it will take a while because it said please be patient, the file is being uploaded. So it will take a while. So the file has been installed successfully. So now the file is installed. If I go back to my voting system, I'm going to see a lot of tables in there. So these are the table. This is the admin table, the candidates table, the position, the voters. I'll explain all this in a second. So I'll go back. I'll click on. So this is the connection variable. So we are passing in a new connection, and this is the SQL function, and it's carrying the localhost, which is currently our localhost, and there's the root because we are the root user, the main user of the computer. This place is for the password, but the password is currently empty. And this place, I'm going to add the system. Remember, it's a voting system that we created. System. So this is the voting system. So this is the name I was actually assigning in this place. So I hope you understand. So I'll save it. After saving it, I'll go to my computer and I'll search for localhost because it's now localhost/voting system. So click on connect or enter rather. Okay, we got an error because we did not specify vote system. So vote system. Okay, when I corrected the name, it actually loaded the voting system. So we are connected successfully, and we can now enter our username and password. So first of all, I'm going to the admin. If you want to locate the admin, you go to this voting system application, then in this home directory we have this. Let me close this place. So we have the admin block. So we have the admin code. So this is the admin folder. So if I open the admin folder, I want to access this, the index.html. So I'll use /admin to look for that index. So this is the current admin and password. For me to get the information to this one, I'll go to my search the admin if there's one already. So this is the username. The username is we can see the username, but we cannot actually see the password. This password is already been hashed, it's already been encrypted, but I know the password already. So we'll go back and enter the username. I need to copy this as our username and paste it here, and the password is password, PASSWORD. So let's sign in. So this password was actually encrypted to this hash code, so that if person has access to the database, they will only get this hash key. They will not be able to decrypt it to get that the password is actually just password. So this is the database. It's telling us to change our password, but we'll skip that. So this is the database. We can change all this right up. We can change everything here. So first of all, we can change this. Let's check the voters. You can add voters. Then after adding voters, so this is the voters. There's currently one voter, which is Hillary, and this is me right here. So I can add a new voter, which is Hillary 2, and the first name will be. Now let's put the password of. Alright. This way I can upload the person's image. I can upload the person's image right here for the voting. So I'll enter pictures. I'll just look for one picture. I'll upload. Let me put this one. So I have this picture here, and I'll upload. So now I have two voters. One is Hillary and one is bad guy. So if I come to my positions now, I can now assign who I want to give for president. There's only one president now, and there's a maximum vote. So I can go for, if I want to add a DOS or a social, and I'll set the maximum amount of vote I want that person should actually get. So we'll actually have to set it high so that they should not meet up to it. So the candidates, now that we have two candidates right here now, we can now edit this one. This one now, what is it going for? Is it going for president or is it going for DOS? We'll assign it right here. So Eli is going for president, and platform, this one is just a short description of what the person is actually the pitch. So we'll update this one, and the other one is one boy, which will be this one. So his first name and which position is going for. Is going for DOS. So it's also going. So this one is just the description, and we'll save it. So now we have actually created two people, and we are giving them different positions they are going for. So this is the ballot position. In the ballot position, will now show you, okay, how many votes have this one has gotten, how many votes this one has gotten. So this is the election title. So this one is the applied science election. It's just the title of the election, so that the person should sit in the back end. So let me go back and let me enter vote. We have to create more users now so that those users can vote. So let me enter total voters. So these are the total voters. I can keep adding voters. So this is how it was done that day, when they added our name, our surname, and the password. Then they put our picture and they save. These are, they just kept adding users. So we now have all. So all these are the people that are actually capable of logging in. So let me create one user now to use as an example. So example, and I'll now call the user. I'll give you password of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now save it. Now I can log out from this place so that I can